Okay, so this is an observation with Reuben Carey on the 25th of the 4th, 2017. Say that?
Yeah.
Say your name?
Reuben Carey.
Right, okay. So talk us through, firstly, what you were asked to do.
I was asked to create a blog, a website, preferably about film, and this is what I've created so far.
Okay. So what was your ideas behind it?
My preliminary research was into other successful blogs, but I was never aiming to, make it big with this blog. Mm-hmm. It's more personal, what interests me personally about film. Maybe smaller niche blog posts, so not necessarily big movie releases, fewer reviews than like the typical film blog, which is the most successful ones. It's just reviewing all the latest stuff, and I tried to give a bit more of a focus into like the behind the scenes element of cinema and how things are made, because that's one of the things which interests me most with regard to movies.
What do you think makes a sort of successful website?
It's the content at the end of the day, and also keeping up to date. So all the big film blogs out there are first on every release with a review, quickers for sneak previews at trailers or behind the scenes photographs or whatever. As they get bigger, they get better access, and then they start being able to interview actual like stars in the movies. So it's that access which, as a fan, most people can't get, but it's delivered.
So talk me through the sort of almost like a tour through the site and how it works.
This is the main page. So this is where the blog posts will actually come up. So I've written 2 blogs so far, made 2 blog posts, and then the sort of menu. I've been a little bit. How could you do it? I'm trying to be a little bit witty, but also.
Right, I'm off, guys. I will be off this place tomorrow.
What's the word? Being a little bit.
Yeah, witty and silly.
Well, witty and a bit not demeaning, but sort of a little bit satirical about the whole thing. So I said the title, "What is this crap?" is the menu, and it's just as honest as possible description of what it is about. So it's my blog, Reuben's blog, reviews of recent films that I've watched, articles that I think are interesting. I've tried to make a point that I'm not a film buff, I'm not going to be making brilliant reviews. It's just like my honest reaction to movies, and that everyone can be a critic. So that's the nicest thing.
What do you think of the values of the blog? You mentioned a little bit about it kind of being about sort of more independent things. Talk through the 2 subjects of the blogs that you've done
so far.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is about a music video. It's for an artist called Bonobo, who recently did a music video which became pretty famous. It's got Gemma Arterton in it. It's like a sort of glitch video, and it's sort of like depicting this trip she's going on, and it's on a loop, and with each loop you see something appear within the video, something extra that she's seeing but no one else is. So there's like an explosion from a block and different little things here and there. And although it doesn't actually explicitly explain what she's going through, people imply she's going through a trip or something.
Right, okay.
And they did another music video, which is the one I'm talking about. I reference